Techno X really exposes us as a youth to careers, different career fields and different types of things that goes on within different careers. And as youth, we don't usually see that. So Techno X really exposes us learners and gives us the opportunity to interact and get a better understanding of the outside world.
I fully understand why Sasol would do such an exhibition for 21 years. The level of energy from the learners, the commitment from the exhibitors, and the passion of everybody working in this exhibition, and the level of impact of the speakers, the workshops, and the information from the stalls. I mean, no wonder we have stories of people whose careers shifted because of their exposure to Techno X.
It's really important for future generations to achieve good careers, to enable them to survive in our tomorrow, and really to become good citizens of South Africa. So yes, it's important, and that is what we emphasize through the Techno X here.
It's important to encourage learners to pursue STEM or STEAMy careers because arts and innovation are just as important as the STEM or the science, technology, engineering and maths. And it's important because as a country that wants to participate in a global space, that wants to grow economically, that wants to grow socially, STEM becomes critical in terms of being the foundation of that growth.
Just come here, amazing experiments, amazing adventures. Bring more of your friends, it will be fun.
It's always good to see youngsters and all stakeholders in person and to feel the vibe and the excitement and the passion in us contributing to STEMI. We pay a lot of attention to innovation because it's in our purpose statement. Sasol's purpose statement is innovating for a better world.